Hey everyone, welcome to this new video, and in this video we are gonna learn how to create glass morphism, and it is a trend now, so let's create it. So in Figma we are gonna take a section. It is a frame. Okay, let's take a frame and let's take A4 size. Okay, like this. Okay, and let's name it glass. So this is the background. Let's change the color to something like this one. This is looking good. Okay, let's take a rectangle like this. Okay, let's change the frame size something different like this, and the square also something like this. Let's pull it to the middle and just give a radius almost 20. Yes, it's okay. Now let's fill it with some color. This is, let's take it a little bit bluish and convert it to linear for the gradient like this, and not like this. Because from this side light is coming, so this side is a little bit deep color and this side is light, but not that much deep, so not that much light, a little bit more deeper, and this side a little bit more lighter. Okay, this side a little bit more whitish, because from there the light is coming. So now it is looking like a little bit glossy effect, but let's add a stroke, because the side fill some strokes like this, but we're not gonna take black, we're gonna take green like this, and not solid, it's linear like this. One side where the dark part and the light side is very less light, like a little bit like this and a little bit like this. So it's looking great. A little bit linear feelings to show that there is an effect, nothing much. Done. Then what to do? If there is no element behind, then how can we know this is a glass? So let's put a circle here to the back. Let's pull it to back. So now you can see the glass effect, but let's make it red. You can see it. Okay, let's make it 3D. So click it to radial and pull it to there and there like this, and a little bit up like this. Okay, so you can feel that there is a light effect. Sorry, light effect like this, a little much more color like, yes, now it's visible and looking good. Let's put it here and a shadow. Go to effects and add a drop shadow and make it a little blur, much like it. Okay, that's great. Now pull it over here so that you can see it. Make a duplicate and go there and increase its size a little bit, and also change its color to something like a greenish like this, or a deep greenish like this. Yes, let's make one more duplicate. Yes, like this, and duplicate like this. Okay, let's make it a little bit smaller, and this other one should be a bigger. This is maybe we can make it to something like blue, not that much deep, like this. Yes, you can see, but this is normal plastic type effect, but let's make it a little bit glass effect. Glass should have a shadow, so let's make a little bit shadow over there, -4 to x-axis and y4, and let's make it to almost 9. Now it has a shadow because it is behind, and let's add one more effect which is called background blur, and increase it to like almost 8. Now you can see a blurry effect over there. Like if you go there, you can see it's blurred. It's looking blurred like this. So let's move to the middle and let's duplicate it and pull it over up and make it a little yellowish like this, something like this, and this one a little bit whitish like this. So it is upper, let's make it a little small, too, like this, and let's make it something like this, or a little bit orange, yes, and this a little bit more orange. Done. So you can see this is looking great. Okay, let's move it to there. No, let's go to there. Let's make it a little bigger or smaller like this. Yes, it's looking good. Okay, so let's write something like your name here and make it to almost this size. Okay, make the font to Poppins and convert the color to almost something like this one, so that you can see a little brightness, and make it a little bold, and let's make it a little depth. So take a effect and make it inner shadow. You can see like this is something great. Inner shadow, let's make it a little small, just like this. No, 2 and -2 like this. Yes, this is looking great. And I think let's take a layer blur or background blur. Yes, background blur. This is your name here. Extra bold. This is looking good. Yes. Let's make the color here. Inner shadow effect to a little bit more blur, or a little bit more something like. Okay, this is looking too much, so let's make it normal bold. And one more inner shadow which is a little bit whitish like this. So this is 2, and for Y it is -2. So you can see a height over there, a little bit height over there. And if you just hide the background blur, then it is also looking good. Let's remove the background blur and also duplicate it, your name and your number here, and the size is, so I have selected this, so let's select, and 36 is okay. Your number here is okay. Let's make it something number like 9876543210. This should be a little deeper color. Sorry, what is going on? something like plugins, feather icons, add icon which user, it is a user logo, group it and make it to union, then this, and increase the size at first this and increase the size like this. So there should be something like photo, and same like a little bit shadow, inner shadow like this, and like this is your business card, something like this. Here is your photo, here is name, and here is your number like this, and maybe make something like one duplicate from there. Position, let's decrease the size over here, 36. Okay, let's make it something like this one color like this, and it is looking great. Okay, just select this and this, and make it to equal distance. Then let's increase the size also. And you can see a card is ready, which is totally looking like a glass. Decrease the size. Let's change the color, because this is not looking that much good. And okay, let's change the color to something like this, and this color to something like this one, to something like this. So you can see a glass effect with a little bit blurriness. You can change accordingly background, but let's make it this one. This color a little bit much like this one. This is looking great, and done. Okay, so name it glass card, and you can see the outcome over there. This is looking great. Let's make it a little bit more curve like this, and it's almost done. Background blur a little bit more, and done. It's done. How's it looking? Just comment down and create your own card like this. Okay, so for now, bye bye. See you in some next video with some amazing content. Lots of love.